The Galaxy S10, the much awaited Samsung phone, has been announced by the company, and as you would be following the rumors and leaks, the design is very similar. You're watching India Today Tech, I'm Rahul Sethi, and let's take a look at all the prices of these smartphones and also one big announcement that Samsung made at the event and what it means. The Galaxy S10 will have two other variants, a cheaper Galaxy S10e and a bigger, more expensive Galaxy S10 Plus. But the good thing is that all the three smartphones have a very uniform design. They have a curved display at front, a punch hole display and glass at the back. Samsung carries forward its premium flagship design, and this time around it does away with the bezels to give you more screen to body ratio. In fact, over 90% of screen to body ratio. Phone uses Corning Gorilla Glass 6 both at the front and at the back. You get a metal frame, and there are dual or triple camera setups at the back depending on the variant. You won't see any physical fingerprint scanner because it's put under the display. And at the back, the phone not only has wireless charging but reverse wireless charging, which means that it can charge accessories like the Galaxy Buds or the Galaxy Watch, and it can also charge other smartphones, which is similar to what we saw on Huawei Mate 20 Pro. If you talk about the Galaxy S10e, you see it has a single camera at the front, a dual camera at the back, and a 5.8-inch AMOLED panel. The resolution is capped at Full HD+, and you get HDR10 support as well on it. The Galaxy S10 also has a single camera at the front but has a bigger 6.1-inch display and triple camera setup at the back. And yes, the display is also Quad HD in resolution, which is a step up from Full HD. The Galaxy S10 Plus is the biggest of all, having a 6.4-inch display and also has a dual camera setup at the front, while at the back it has the same 3-camera setup. If you talk about the camera sensors as well, the primary camera is same 12-megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization, face detection, autofocus and dual aperture. The secondary camera is a 12-megapixel telephoto sensor, which is missing on the S10 but is present on the 10 and the 10 Plus with 2x optical zoom. And the good part is that this one also has optical image stabilization. The third camera, which is present as a second camera on the S10e, is a 16-megapixel ultra-wide sensor which captures more area compared to the main sensor, and Samsung also showed the difference between the two. The primary front camera on all three phones is a 10-megapixel sensor with an f1.9 aperture, and the secondary camera on the S10 Plus, which captures depth data and will be able to take better portrait shots. The starting price of the Galaxy S10 is $899, which translates to about 63,000 rupees in India, which is quite expensive compared to the previous Galaxy S10 version, which was announced at a starting price of about 57,000 rupees. The S10 Plus, on the other hand, gets a price tag of $999, which translates to about 70,000 rupees, and this comes close to the iPhone XS. The Galaxy S10e has a starting price tag of $749, which translates to about 53,000 rupees in India. Now the affordable Galaxy S10 is quite an interesting option. It has everything you would expect in a flagship except a dual front camera, which is not really a needed thing, and a telephoto sensor at the back, which you can do without because that phone can also take portrait shots thanks to the software that Samsung has developed. Let me know in the comment section below which of the three variants is your favorite. And Samsung has also made a new smartphone that is kind of a combination between the two smartphones. That is, if you want a small screen and a big screen as well, Samsung announced the foldable smartphone. It has been teasing the phone since last year, but now it has finally unveiled, and it is calling it the Galaxy Fold. Not only it looks like a mixture of two smartphones, but the price tag is also quite a sum of the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus. In fact, even more. The Galaxy Fold comes at a price tag of $1,980, which translates to about 1.4 lakh rupees in India, which is quite insane. But if you take a look at the phone itself, it appears to be quite an appealing one. The phone has a 4.6-inch display at the front with HD resolution, but it opens up to a 7.3-inch display, which has a Quad HD resolution. Samsung says the phone will be commercially available at the end of April, but it has managed to crack the foldable smartphone segment. It is the first company to globally come out with a foldable smartphone you can actually buy. Not only it has a foldable screen, but it has about 6 cameras in total. 1 at the cover, 3 at the back, very similar to the Galaxy S10, and all the sensors are also same as the Galaxy S10. But there are 2 cameras paired to the inner display as well, which are same as the Galaxy S10 Plus. Looks like Samsung has put every best available bit of technology on the Galaxy Fold to make the experience worthwhile, and the price also. The Galaxy Fold uses metal and glass design. It has a foldable glass inside and Super AMOLED and Dynamic AMOLED displays at the outer and the inner panel. There is wireless charging, fast charging, and a new interface that's developed specially for foldable smartphones. And the interesting bit is the app continuity feature, which means that the app you're using on the outer screen will be available inside when you open the phone on a bigger display. Not only that, you can open about 3 applications simultaneously for multitasking, which is quite cool. Samsung has also put 2 batteries on the 2 halves of the phone, which gives the phone a total of 4300 mAh of battery capacity, which is again quite a cool feature. The Galaxy Fold may be one of the best Samsung phones we have seen so far, but it's also priced quite humongously. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. While we don't have the availability, launch and pricing details for the India market yet, but we're gonna get it soon, so do subscribe to our channel and watch out for that. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.